Right then, now that I've changed the battery, dull! Right then, let's get on with it. Now, what we have here is something really awesome. As everybody knows, all my stuff is really awesome. Yeah, everybody know that. Right then, let's just check this out. What we have here is what's known as a recast bell. Now, when bells of grandiose significance, like very large bells, sometimes after many moons, cracking can occur, and for whatever reason, it happens on occasion where they melt them down and create bells from the very material to keep like the spirit or something like that in the bells, you see. And so some believe that spirits are contained in bells or something. I don't know how to say it. Just awesome. Right, so this here is a recast bell. And from the kanji, from the script that we can gather here, nice. Some script on there, it's really beautiful. No cracks, just really nice. That's casting lines there, you see. Beautiful sound too, I'll get to that in a mini. Got some things written down here. Recast bell, it's a memorial bell. And let's see, it was made on a celebration day. In Shigatsu of Niju Hachinen in the Showa period. Now, Showa Niju Hachinen Shigatsu is April of, had it figured out, 1953. Right, so this was cast in April of 1953. It comes from the original bell. Also comes from Daihon Zan, which Mount Daihon, and from Nakayama-tera, which would mean the temple inside the mountain of Daihon Zan. There you are. Fantastic. What I've done is I've included, well, that's the lotus. That's the family crest of the lotus. That's a beautiful sake cup right there. Don't know what it's made. It could be wood lacquered, might not be, but I'm just throwing that in as a presento. I get this groovy little box here that needs a little bit of glue, I guess, on that thingy there. That's a presento. Here you go, I'll put that in there. Get some real deal incense also. That's the stuff you'll find at temples and shrines from the matsu tree, and it just smells gorgeous. Beautiful incense. Brand new striker. And this is really rad. These are all, as I was showing over there, family crest. These are family crest designs. Isn't this fantastic? In fact, there's someone out there. It doesn't happen all the time. But sometimes, I sell something and there's a little bit of wiggle room as far as weight is concerned. Let's go. And if it doesn't go over the into the next weight category on occasion, people happen to open the box and go, "Oh, I didn't know that was coming." And so, but this particular case, I'm going to let you in on it. That someone is going to receive one of these. There was two of these. I had two of these, and that's it. So someone out there is going to receive one of these. And these are really, isn't this rad? All these different, look at that. That represents a shogi piece. In fact, I just had a shogi board right here moments ago that I was presenting. Right, let's get back to it. Now, this bell sounds awesome. Right, so you get this fabric here, you get this here, you get this, and they get this, and they get that, and get that. Now, what I'll do, I'll just unplug this thingy like that, so I can sit this thing down like so. I'll keep the microphone away from the bell, so that the microphone doesn't go all wacky. Give it a little tiny light strike. This is a personal Buddhist bell. 2 striking points. Give it even. Beautiful. I'm striking it like I need to do more push-ups. Beautiful. Don't know if the mic will pick that one up too well. Sometimes it goes wonky if it's... I'll give it a decent strike from a distance. How's that? Hiya! But generally, you'd never have to strike it. So, with such force, just like so. If you listen closely, you can hear some gorgeous reverberation, but what you're actually listening to is my voice, which is just fantastic. And I see, I should have been a singer instead. But anyways, wonderful bell. Right, so that's a recast bell. Material derived, I was about to say kara, means from sono do kara, sono do, something like that. Do meaning bronze. From Okino bonsho. Bonsho meaning a very large Buddhist bell. It comes from a very large Buddhist bell, so that was cast from that. Right then, okie dokie, I'm going to throw this on the charger because I have no idea how much battery power this particular battery has, and I'll just keep chopping and changing, throwing it back on the charger because I've got a bunch of things to present, and due to the weather being awful, I want to go home. But alas, got these going on. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Rad. Yeah, walk out there for 5 minutes. Ugh. Right then. Okay, now I've got another bell just over there. And I'm going to bring it here.